What's up, guys? Wilmot here with the Bear Group, and I am here at 167 Willow Bay Drive, right here in Oakfield Plantation subdivision. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this home before I give you a tour. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, and it also has a bonus room that could be used as an at-home office or an additional bedroom, just in case you need some additional space. Also, you have a 2-car garage. This home has white cabinets in the kitchen and in the bathrooms. Also, it has granite countertops as well. Stainless steel appliances come with the property. Come with me as I take you on a tour and show you what this home has to offer. Let's go.